think a sneeze is harmless. Think again. When you sneeze, air blasts out of your nose and mouth at speeds up to 100 miles per hour. That's faster than a cheetah sprinting at full speed and even faster than some sports cars. But it gets worse. Those tiny droplets from a sneeze can travel up to 20 feet. And guess what? A single sneeze can release 100,000 germs into the air. Without covering your mouth, those germs can spread to everything and everyone around you. Mind blown? Stay curious and stay safe. Like, share, and subscribe for more awesome facts.